Understanding the phrase, mute the trumpet, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, mute the trumpet. This might sound a bit unusual at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. First, let's break down the literal meaning. A trumpet is a musical instrument known for its loud and clear sound. To mute something means to soften or silence it. So, literally, muting the trumpet would mean making a trumpet sound quieter or silent. In English, we often use phrases figuratively. That means we take their literal meaning and apply it to different contexts to convey a specific idea or emotion. When someone says, mute the trumpet, they are usually suggesting to lower the intensity or volume of something. It can be used metaphorically to suggest that someone should speak more quietly, calm down, or reduce the intensity of their actions or opinions. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In a meeting, I think we should mute the trumpet on this issue until we have more information. 2. In a debate, he had very strong opinions, but he had to mute the trumpet when presented with the facts. 3. In personal relationships, after our argument, we both decided to mute the trumpet and talk calmly. And that's a wrap on Mute the Trumpet. I hope this video helped you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also how it can be applied in various contexts. Remember, language is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them can really enrich your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next English learning adventure.